Hey guys, today we're trying to communicate with birds again. This is early in the morning. Early in the morning. Let's try it. I need extra water inside. Let's try to do it. Why is this not working? I think I added too much water. Hey guys, the birds are actually, I can understand the birds saying, dude. But after I hit the whistle, they're saying, what is it? Like that. The sparrows are communicating back. Okay. Okay. This actually sounds like a real birdie. Okay, I think I'm done. Communicating with birds is success. A birdie just went by. Okay, so see you back in my next videos. Bye.